For this video, let's have a look. Challenge number 25. What we have is we have a list of different users. So you have 9 different users, and they have some kind of stores they go to. Some user visit more stores than the other. The idea is we try to looking for a list of combination. So the combination of stores they go for. So they try to understand the correlation between the merchant by customer. So it's almost a way is doing basket analysis. It's a bit weird with the no value, but yeah, those stores individually, I personally I wouldn't keep these individual stores because there's no relationship with the stuff. But I think that's to do with more of a data pivoting stuff. Columns, we don't want it, so we definitely want to group those in by, so we want to pivot to long. So we want to white to long format. Let's see. For us, we probably don't need we need group by user, yes. Count, we probably don't need count without the merchants, probably suffice. Usually I would go for, yeah, let's handle the null values. Usually what I'm thinking is we already have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to give us some kind of indicator. So we're going to pass the number out almost like ID field for each store. Then we can do some cross drawing and use the conditional sorting ID to get a kind of unique combinations. The reason not to proceed is because those repeat value for the null, it may not be the best way to handle it. Actually, I'll do that. Probably unique. We can be unique with and drop those null values. So looking for each user, we're looking for unique in values. We don't worry about the merchant names yet. Yeah, that'll be fine. 41. So drop those null values. Then we can pass out information like IDs. You can create use tiles too, which is my favorite, to do things. Or since we have here already, we may well just use the whole thing. If you want to do it, probably just that's the first. Is that a last? If it's a non last, I think you can reverse strings and select first. So reverse the name string. So we can select, actually no, let's do different. Regex. Replace. Let's go. Regex definitely can do it because you can get a number out. So the reason I'm thinking about regex or whatever, the reverse doesn't work is you may have in a more general data set, you have merchant that's 10 merchant, 11 merchant, so you have 2 digits. Reverse the string, then capture the first character is not robust enough to do more complicated, a bigger data set. Regex, yes, you can definitely get a string out. But because everybody has merchant, we may well just do replace. So we're looking for name colon. So we'll copy the string except number. We basically just want to remove it. So that should give you the number. Let's keep it as integer because later we want to do calculation. Users store ID. They're not happy for the number, so let's wrap it a string. So let's wrap it to number. Okay, that's done. So the merchant column we don't need. We have our name. That's good. That's good. Let's do some drawings. So what we want to do, we will basically want to do a cross join. So all the store from user one should join the user one. Um, Self join should be fun, I think. So we're looking for the user ID, join on the user ID. So all those user ones on the left hand chart will cross join the right one. We don't care about ID, we don't care about the cleaning. We do want the left, we don't care about name because the merchant will pass it out. We care about value, that's a store name, yes. Store ID, yes. Then the right, yes. So those are four fields, let's keep. So we're going to get a bit exploding join. Probably the inner join should be more than 41. Yeah, that's fine. Then the filtering condition. If we just say user one, maybe easier to see. Like that, user one. We can test the condition just as long as your left hand side is strictly less than the right hand side. So you should be able to create the unique list they're looking for. So my user store ID should be strictly because if it's equal, you have a repeating store itself. W77, yeah, 77. That's the one you get on top. They don't want ID. Sure, just clean things up a bit. So we can do a select and a sort of one way. The order doesn't matter. We don't care those ID call anymore. What do they call it? They call the merchant one and merchant two. Merchant one, merchant two. And we sort say probably just by user ID should be good enough. So with ID BCHJ, BCHJ. Yeah. So that's pretty much the list on its own. The only different cases for ID number two, you only have got one store. That's just the way the sorting order. But list-wise, it should produce the same thing. Auto check, auto CSV, Chick-fil-A, Circle K. For user three, come on, user three. Let's check. Yeah. So you have auto CSV, Chick-fil-A, Circle K. Good. Um, so anytime you generate a permutation, a combination of different fields, some kind of dummy ID is very good because that can give you a way to rule out any duplications and handles the uniqueness in the combination. If you do looking for permutation of it, so the order does matter, then it's even easier. You just do a regular self join, cross join, you will get your list. Okay, that's that. Thanks for watching.